Hi, Mark here, and I trust you're well. This Saturday I'm hosting a small group live Lightroom Classic workshop on Zoom, and we're going to be looking at the workflow and tasks of importing our images and managing them within the Lightroom library module. So we'll look at the import dialog, automation of import, we'll look at workflow and rules, presets, and once we've got the images into Lightroom Classic, how we can manage our assets, removing the images that we don't want, and a workflow of processing our images so they're ready for editing and sharing with our friends, family and clients. Now, why come and spend your time with me? Well, I'm an award-winning qualified photographer and educator, and I have been sharing my extensive knowledge of Lightroom and Lightroom Classic for over 8 years now. On a Monday evening, I host a live Lightroom support group where we look at a theme and a task and answer your Lightroom and Lightroom Classic questions. So I hope that gives you some confidence in attending this live workshop on Saturday. And if you'd like to, just book your place and you'll have an automated email, and within a few working hours you'll have all the Zoom details in your inbox. I look forward to welcoming you, and keep taking photos. Bye for now.